Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the motorcycle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and verify proper tread depth. Check the tire pressures and verify they are set to specification. Inspect the brake pads and rotors, looking for corrosion, damage, and leaks. Inspect the suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Examine the rear drive belt for wear or damage. Also check for proper belt tension. Ensure the airbox system is fully sealed. Next, inspect the fluid levels. Ensure the bike is level and in a well-ventilated area. Inspect the front brake reservoir for proper fluid level and add fluid as needed. A flashlight can be used to illuminate the reservoirs in dark areas. Also inspect the fluid level in the rear brake reservoir near the right floorboard. Next, inspect the engine oil level. Start the engine and allow it to idle for 30 seconds. Then stop the engine. Using an assistant, hold the bike in an upright and level position. Clean the area around the dipstick. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe with a clean shop towel. Reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it to inspect the oil level. Add oil as needed to ensure the oil level is between the add and full marks. It is not necessary for the level to be up to the full mark. Reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Next, power on the bike to inspect the headlight, low beam, high beam, and passing lamp. Also, operate the turn signals and hazard warning flashers. Then check the operation of the taillight, brake lights, left and right turn signals, and license plate light. Continue by verifying the horn operates properly. Check the steering for smooth operation, from full left to full right. Operate the brake and clutch levers, taking note of any binding or sticking. Also, operate the throttle twist grip to ensure there is no binding or sticking. Also, check the rear brake pedal for binding or sticking. Place the transmission in neutral and verify the neutral indicator illuminates in the instrument cluster. Start the engine and verify the low oil pressure light is not illuminated. Operate the side stand and verify smooth operation. Ensure the side stand indicator on the instrument cluster is functioning properly. Always retract the side stand fully before operating the motorcycle. Before departing, ensure the preload is adjusted properly for the load and adjust your side mirrors as needed. Finish by ensuring there is enough fuel for your trip. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.